Okay, so recently someone contacted me to say that their birth certificate was rejected because it was laminated and they tried to remove it and it ripped. I've made this video before, but here's a reminder. You are not supposed to laminate your birth certificate, marriage certificate, deed poll, adoption certificate. You're not supposed to laminate any of your documents, including your American citizenship certificate. It tells you clearly, do not laminate these documents. You should not even laminate your TRN card. Anyway, if it is laminated, it will not be accepted. It is very hard to hear, but it will not be accepted. The next thing that will not be accepted in terms of a birth certificate is any information that is illegible. Now, whenever I say to a client, the name is illegible or the date of birth is illegible, they'll tell me what it is. And I always say to them, but will you go to the consulate and tell them, and will you go to the passport office in Jamaica and tell them? Who is going to tell them? They don't want you to tell them, they want to see it on the document, what the document is for. So if you have one of the old format handwritten birth certificates, I'll show you one. Yeah, we have to get rid of these birth certificates. Anyway, I'm Gail of 876 Documents. If you need help with your Jamaican documents, we are overseas and we assist anyone, anywhere overseas with the Jamaican documents, passport, birth certificate, TRN, driver's license, marriage, adoption, driving abstract. The list goes on. Thank you for watching.